John Boy is the jammiest fisherman I know. Where are you, John Boy? Mate.
You know what? I'm going to catch something on that. I'm going to dip my mackerel in there.
Move up the way. Well, as promised, the duo is back. I repeat, the duo is back. Yes. Hey. 1-all, jam man. 1-all. Jam bam. Whoa, 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 whoa! Jam rod, jam rod, jam rod, jam rod, jam rod, jam rod. Whoa, 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 whoa! Where you going, John Boy?
Shopping, mate.
Shopping for what, mate?
Batteries.
Batteries.
Food.
Food. Kebabs?
We having a kebab?
No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
If we catch a huss or a conger, kebab.
Kebab. Huss or a conger kebab, all right?
Yeah.
I'm at the dilemma already. I've sat there in John Boy's car and literally just went to get out. I peed myself. Water just dripping everywhere. Like my rod bag, I left it out overnight. Oh, what a disaster. Anyway, me, John Boy, are going shopping now. We'll get some bits and bobs. We'll get straight to that mark. Kreutzer. Welcome to That's a Bite. John, get here, mate, now. Hey, what's this in here? What have you put in my basket? What have you put in there? Move that. What's that, John Boy?
So help you fishing, mate.
Oh, cheers.
More fish.
Little bugger. Do you want to put that back, mate? Can you put it back? I'm not putting it back.
I can't believe you busted me. I wanted you at the till with that.
Because I always say, John Boy is the jammiest fisherman I know. Strawberry jam, strawberry conserve. I have to keep checking, make sure he's not coming. On the jam. What jam are we going to get, John Boy? What are we going to get him? What are we going to get him? Tell you what, it's got to be in it. Bit of Hartley's. Slip it in there. In fact, what I'll do, slip that one, we'll go for the cheapest one. Because if he pays for it, it's only going to be 39p. I'll get him back for this. Just going to stash the jam for now until I see him. He's shopping somewhere, but I'm having him back for this. Yeah, he won't see that. Where are you, John Boy? John, go and get his bag, mate. I'm watching you. No, my cover's blown. What have you got there, mate? No comment, mate.
You know what? I'm going to catch something on that. I'm going to dip my mackerel in there.
Oh yeah, jammy.
I'm going to dip my mackerel in there, and I'm going to catch something on jam.
Imagine that, mate.
Watch this go now.
Imagine a £13 bass on the jam.
That's called jammy. Those were the days, my friends. We thought that never ended. Forever and a day.
We've got sing-song there, mate. Right. We've had a change of plan. John, look here, there, look. He's putting some juice in the car, okay? So, complete change of plan. We are in Gerwen. I think it's Gerwen. And we're going to Dock Park. Don't ask me why.
You got a penny in there anyway.
Penny? You're taking the mick. Asking me for a penny. Hold on, mate. Yep, John Boy.
You have, yeah.
Got your penny, mate? Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah, don't ask me why we're going here, because I don't have a clue. John Boy just said, should we go to Dock Park? I was like, do you know what, let's go. Let's go give it a go. Because I think John Boy lost a big fish last time. I've never fished it, never seen the place, so we'll give it a go. So yeah, he's put it. Oh, what did he put in this guy now? Can't even see. I think he's put about £10, 1 pence in. There he is. La, 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 la. Singing me and John Boy.
Remember, safety first.
Safety first. You've always gotta carry your first aid kit, okay? Safety's paramount. Anyway, we go in.
Yeah.
We're going to
Dog's back.
Dog's back. That's where we're going. I'll see you in a bit. Dog back. La 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 la. I hope you're enjoying it so far, guys, because it will just get better and better. However, there is a little bit of wind noise in this, and it's quite hard to combat this when you're fishing, especially with driving winds as well at the side here. So the next couple of clips do have a little bit of wind noise, but it does die down. It does get better. If you move out the way.
Always set a bin off.
Yeah, always set your bin up. There you go, look, we're doing our bit.
Our bit.
For the environment, yeah. Take your rubbish home. Anyway, here's my spot. So what I am thinking is, it's got to do a conga donga down here, isn't it? But I don't know whether there's big rocks and that just go down, so I might just bring it off a little bit, or lower the rig down in a bit, feel the bottom, and just lift it up a bit off the rocks, and have a runner down there on the old conga donga. But I've never fished this place before, and it does look conga-ish. But yeah, it's a big port all the way through there, and it stops there. So yeah, we'll give it a go. I don't know how this video will sound like, because it is absolutely blowing a hoolie. However, we must push on because the light is fading, and with the ever fading lights, we get the rig sharks on. 1, 2. So on the right Sam rod tonight, which is the M Sport Power, my leader icon. That one is going to be on the conga donga right down here. I'm convinced that'll do a conga tonight. The other one is on the Pembervale 2, and we're running the FXD80. That one is on a big long pulley panel. I'm just going to put that one just in the open here, not too far, just far enough. And that's going to be on like a piece of squid and some rag and stuff on that. That's the bit bashing one tonight, hopefully. Right, the first rod's going out now. I won't even tell you what's happening with John's because this is a separate video, but all I'll say is it's going down. And I haven't even got a bait in the water yet. So this is the conga donga rod. Said it before what it is. Just on a running rig. And that's just going to go down the sides on this one. On a full piece of macaroons. Let's get it in and hope for the best, eh? Oh, it's all going down here. Storm Angus is on the way. Going up, going up. I'm not going to go anywhere here now. Carnage, absolute carnage, as always on this channel. Carnage, especially when me and John are together.
Bite, big bite.
Bite already. Finish off again. Right on the jam. Oh my God, jamming everywhere. It's bouncing, it's...
Oh, Betty!
It's it, Betty! I've always called him the jammiest man on this planet, and this guy is absolutely rinsing it on the goddamn jam. Look at him. Gives a smile, Johnny Jam.
The best thing is, you know, when you fish with like squid and mackerel, yeah, and you stink like mackerel and that. Mate, I can suck these fingers now. It's like a primary school kid's packed lunch. You know, they get it all over the fingers and their hands.
Yeah, but honestly, you can't lick your fingers now, John, because you've still got scent of mackerel on your hand. You can become very poorly, okay?
It smells.
Jammy.
Come back smelling fresh.
Can I have a smell?
You want to smell my fingers?
Yeah, come here. Come here. Nice, mate. Nice.
Jam.
Oh, John's just tickled me now. He's just said 5-0 on the jam.
5-0.
It's marked over.
To the champions.
We're jamming. Wanna get jammy with you? Left rod.
Mike.
Non-jam.
Go on, Mike. It's all going off on Mike.
Non-jam. It's a race to catch that fish. We're 1-1. Come on. Come on the non-jam. It's had a bit of interest, but yeah, just not a... Might have to glove it and jam in a bit, but at the moment, I'm not So I want to see if I can fish without jam. We haven't always got jam like John, you see. 1-0. John boy's on the jam, so I'm going to have to get on the rag. Going off here. Oh, he's in again on the jam.
Oh, I even got the bite on the other one. We're jamming.
Oh my goodness, give me some of that jam, John. John's just lost one on the jam. Look at him, Jam Master John, look.
Jam Master Ben.
Send it, Jammy. Send it, Jam boy.
Hold on.
Bosh. Jam Master Flex.
Jam Master Flex.
Right, something's going on with this left hand rod. I'm getting a lot of drop back, so I'll pull it that one. Yeah, big drop back again. Yeah, on the rag, on the rag. No. Yeah, I think what's going on is I'm not jamming enough.
That's a proper bite, man.
No.
Slow
He's
lunges.
got a bite on the conger rod.
Slow
On the jam.
lunges.
No.
Slow, you know to slow down enough?
Conger on the jam, oh my god. I'm gonna have to get me some of that jam.
You've got a jam chovy on.
It's got jam. Is that the jam chovy as well?
Yeah.
No. On the jam chovy. Right in it. Oh yeah, look at that.
It don't look that congerish now, to be honest. It did at first, there's a couple of lunges.
Do you think it could be Larry the Lobster again?
I'd take an incised lobster, to be fair. I'd love one of them.
Yeah, we could take him home if he's big enough. We can, you know, like pet him and stuff, couldn't we?
I could do with a fully sized one.
Nice.
Just the man who would have one of them, JP.
Yeah, that's the one.
He loves his lobster, remember?
He does. Ah, Jam Yilly can't believe this. Not a single fish yet. But Jam Boy over there, yeah? Jam Boy.
This is heavy. It's not a fish.
No.
It's not a fish, but it's heavy.
Yeah, it's not really done much. I reckon there's a couple of lobster down there, but I think if this carries on, I'm going to have to dip it in the jam, aren't I?
You are not going anywhere near.
I am having that jam, John. If towards the end, I want to make sure that the jam is the one that's doing the business. Okay?
Maybe it is.
Well, it is, but, you know.
You got that bait elastic?
No. You got that jam? Jam for bait elastic. How about that?
Keep your bait elastic.
Right, okay. I'm seriously going to have to pull something off the jam here. Not a fish on this bank. I'm telling you, John, I'm having that jam. You ain't got no question about it, mate. I'm having that jam in a bit. If I leave here and you smash me on the jam, mate, you're in trouble, do you understand? There will be trouble. Who would have thought, honestly now, thinking about it, who would have thought the jam would like rinse the sea fishing?
John Claude Van Jam.
John Claude Van Jam. Think that jam would even be a bait in the sea. Now it's so far, yeah, he's only had the fish what he's had, so I'm not telling you what fish he is, but you know the jam's out doing the non-jam. So yeah. The only thing I can do is just keep fishing how I am for now, put normal baits on. Towards the end, if I haven't had any fish, I'm going to have to get on the jam. And we'll then prove that the jam is the one. Right, I've changed baits. I've gone on a mackerel head basically. Oh, I hooked your car and everything.
Hey up.
Oh, here's on the jam again. Right, I'm chucking his head out. I'm going to have to. I need a fish on his bank. I ain't getting outdone by Jam Boy. John the Jam Man. That's what it is. John the Jam Man. Seriously guys, what do I do? Do I just keep fishing how I am without the jam? Or I'm going to have to do him in and just take the jam, aren't I? going here, Jam boy? Which rod's going here, Jam man?
Both.
Both?
Yeah, seriously.
Here's it going. Look at mine. Not a single jam. You know what? Oh, what's going on? And that is your secret bait, John boy, yeah?
Secret? Well, not now, because
It's not now.
60,000 people, but it was.
Look at the state of that. Oh no. Oh, strawberry jam. I'm gonna have to pull something out of the bag, I reckon.
The jam, pull it.
I'm gonna have to dip the jam in a minute.
Oh, mate, this
I mean, we've got what have we got now? It's pretty much high water now at 9 o'clock. So if I get to 9:30
try the little bite.
and I haven't had any fish,
Are you recording?
I'm definitely
Sorry. Sorry. Take 2.
It's just everywhere and you look at him. But if I haven't had any fish by 9:30, I'm dipping it in his jam and he hasn't got a saying in the matter. I'm having that jam. And then we'll know then.
I think I already know.
But cheers John for ruining me clip, mate, yeah?
It's alright, mate.
Thanks, mate. Only because it's you, I'll let you off.
So I've ruined your day with this jam as well.
Right, I'm pulling this right hand rod in. And I've got it. That's a bit further out. John boy, I've seen that. I've seen you do something, but what's he doing? What are you doing, you?
Jamming.
Jamming. Yeah, that bait. Yeah. She's a bit mangled, so that's coming off.
Mike, did you just knock your other rod?
No, I didn't, mate, no.
I'm not taking the piece seriously.
Oh my god, it's a big slap line as well.
We just had a big bounce, I don't know if you knocked it.
No, I didn't, mate, no, that's a big slap line. Oh my god. Jesus.
Yeah, Mike.
You going?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna try and put this rod down. Oh
Look
my
at it.
god. Oh my god. Is it non-jammer?
Seriously, that was going.
Was there ever good bites on it?
Well, it was a bite. I wouldn't say it was a prolific shark, but it was a bite.
I don't know what I'm going to do, you know.
Definitely had a nibble.
Yeah, something on that. No. What's going on? They're really, really small baits as well. I thought I'd go on a small bait tonight just to try and lick that fish, but oh, for God's sake. Got it.
Yeah, it's a bit of a pickle what you've done here.
Drop me my phone there. Just quick filming it so I can get a bit of decent footage. Alright, mate, it's not jamming.
Only a tap. It wasn't.
Drop me my phone. Take the charger out. Just lift the top of that before you let it in.
We're already recording, I'll carry on. Try and block
Is it
that
already
win.
recording?
Yeah.
Well, all that was recording.
Did you not even know that?
No.
You should leave that in.
I'm going to leave that in. I hope you enjoyed that. Absolute carnage.
That's raw footage as it happens.
Right, John, follow me down here, mate. I think I've got a better chance than leaving it in the margins there.
In the puddle.
No. I'm going to go a bit down here. Because secretly I've been dropping some bait in there. And hopefully it's been gathering up around this corner. So I'm going to go a little bit further out away from this. But I'm sort of going to drop it. There, like that. Let that drop. Come on. Need to pull something out of the bag here. There we go, we're on the bottom there. Really need to pull something out of the bag because I am struggling without that jam. Tough going. Right, this time, right, this here, yeah? Down there off the way. I won't get tangled this time, will I? Gee, I need this big double figure conger or something, don't I? I can show this jam man how it's done without the jam. You know, he's cheating tonight, he's got the jam again.
Cheating.
Cheating. Jam bait.
You got the best swim as well.
What the best slip?
Did you not see all the cart boshing down that margin when we got here?
I thought I seen something boshing down there.
Fizzing up, clouded water.
Hell yeah, big mirror carp, yeah?
Somebody put 5k Scopex squid down there earlier, mate.
Right, let's get this.
Jumping up the margins.
So that one's on the conga donga down there, yeah? Without the jam. I'm getting to the point now, do I dip my next bait in the jam and just see if it really does go on the jam? Do you reckon, John? Will you let me use that jam? So one cast about the jam now.
Yeah, do it.
And then after that, let me use the
it.
jam, and then if it does do a fish, then it's just the jam.
It's the jam.
Right, let's bait it up then.
Right, I'm going.
See you later, John.
Ta-ra.
Sorry, see you later, Jam.
Good night.
Good night, mate.
God bless. You seem very jammers.
Check this for the bait. I've got the rag there, which I've bound on with the baiting needle, and I've just tipped it with a bit of squid. Hopefully that'll do a fish. I don't care if it's doggy, I just want to shut this jam boy up. Right, this could go drastically wrong now, because I'm going to go for a toodle pit round the corner. And I've told John Boy to hit it if it goes. I hope it doesn't get to that. That bait was absolutely gorgeous that I've just sent out now. If I was a doggy, I'd snuffle it. If I was a bass, I'd snuffle it. It ain't got jam on. It's pouring with rag juices, and it generally looks really tasty if you're a fish.
Rag juices?
Rag juice, yeah. Literally.
Come on,
That's
man.
got to do a fish. It's got to. See if we can do it without the jam. Right, John, watch it, mate.
You watch it. Right. If he goes out the side, I'm going to put something on his hook. But he's inside at the moment. I think he's watching me.
Any bites, mate?
No.
No bites?
No, mate.
Nothing?
Nothing, mate.
Nothing at all?
Not a ting.
Seriously? Not even a tap?
Not even a tap. Is that my jam? Is that my jam you've got there?
I'm gonna have to get on the jam. Get it in there, look. Oh, the jam. Do you know what? It's gonna have to be. John's doing all his bites on the jam, and I'm having a bit of that jam. Imagine now if it really does go off. Come on then, John. Let's hope I don't crack off here, because I'm going to send it a bit, and it's on the multiplier, so it could go terribly wrong on the jam.
You don't want to crack off, it'll jar you for life. I'll scar you for life for me.
Scar you for life. Oh my God. I'm having just a little chuck out here on the jam.
For all those who want some, who really love this new fishing boat, aisle 6, Tesco, bottom shelf. Support your local Tesco's.
every jam will help.
Every little thing.
Got a jam, all right.
Mike, I'm on a big, massive bite then. I've got to go. On yours, right, take your phone.
Hold on.
Mike, have your phone.
Hold on.
I'm
Trying
going.
to get me back on the pod.
Right, it's the jam. Jam is in the air.
Both frogs went then, didn't they?
Right, he's putting me off now. Right, take this.
Interest in my left-hand rod.
Here we go.
Oh, yours is going as well?
Yeah. Are they both the jam baits?
No, mine's not the jam bait. Yeah, that's the rag bait, that. You're on the jam and I'm on the rag.
Just need somebody next to us on the blob.
On the blob. The jam, the rag and the blob. Oh no, it's going as well. Look, on the rag. Come on. I'm on the rag. I'm on the rag. Hey jam, I'm on the rag. Yeah, left. Rag's going, rag's going, rag's going. Come on, rag man. Oh, drop back. Come on. Come on. No. Yeah, it's going. Come on. Yeah, fish on the rag.
We're on, mate.
On the rag, I think, yeah. Fish on the rag. We're in, on the rag.
Mike's in.
Shove your jam. I'm on the rag. Yeah, come on. Yes, fish on. Yeah!
Come on, then.
Yes! Get in. Do you know what? Even though it's a doggy, I'll take that. Oh, I'll take that. It's a huss as well. A little baba huss.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah. Look at that. John?
Yeah.
You can shove your jam because I'm on the rag. Look at him. I'd say that's a huss with the mouth on that. Little baba huss on the turn of the tide. And do you know what? I'm really happy I've got that. Let's go for another. Yes, I haven't blanked. Woohoo! Come on then, Doggimus. Let's send you back to jamming us. Yes, hey. 1-1, Mr. Jam Man. 1-1. Right. Let's get this lovely fresh bait going out. What I got there is a bit of bluey wrapped with rag, and that's going to go out unjammed. Okay, unjammed, because my right hand rod is still on the jam and nothing so far. Like I said, John, you could shove your jam, I'm on the rag. What a session though. What, oh, mate, haven't we done just nothing but laughs again tonight? And that's what it's all about. Just enjoy the banter, get along with each other, and just have a jamming good time. Right, this is probably my last bait going out now.
It is.
What a jamtastic session, John. But here's to the rest of the session, mate. Let's go, let's see if we can wingle out a bigger one, mate. We've got to do it. Right there. Right on the jammy, that is. Right on the jammy.
Jam bam, thank you, ma'am.
Jam bam! Thank you, man. Whoa, 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 whoa! Jam rod, jam rod, jam rod! Jam rod, jam rod, jam rod!
Welcome.
Whoa, 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 whoa! That was absolutely heaving. Whoa, no! That's a massive bite that was on the jam.
Well,
Wow, did you see that? Mate, that jam rod has just absolutely keeled over. What? That was one hell of a bite, that on the jam. That was the first big bite I've had on the jam, that is as well. Wow.
The jam's the one.
Jam is, well, it's just, yeah. It's definitely congerish, that, because it had that lunge. Just going to double check me drag set. It is, but it's quite, loosen that up a little bit more. If that's about there, surely that's going to go. Oh, imagine that, big conger on the jam. Finish the session off. That jam rod's having quite a bit of interest. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know whether to like, don't know whether to have it running quite a bit or enough so it nails it, do you know what I mean? What would you do, guys, when you're fishing for conger would you release your drag right back? But I've got it sort of mediocre, so it can run before it's going to hook itself. Let me know. I know some people have obviously let it run. Oh, it's hard on that. You know what, I'm going to release it a bit. That's what I'm doing. This is the Johnny the Ripper there. Just if that is a conga. I've just released my clutch anyway. So if it does go, be able to run and not feel the resistance. Come on, big conga on the jam. Left hand rod, left hand rod, left hand rod. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, if I wasn't clicking that camera on every time, guys, I would have hit that straight away. Come on, go again, come on. Here we go. Sure, you got to hit that. I hate it when it stops to bite.
Yeah, just hit it.
One more now and I'm going to have to hit it.
Hit it and let's go.
One more knock. It's probably a little muscle there. So I'm going to hit it anyway because I reckon it's probably something like that. Oh my god! Fish job.
Yeah?
I don't know what it is, it's heavy. Really heavy. Could be a snag that, but I don't know, it's heavy.
Stop that.
Could be, yeah. It's nothing heavy that, but I can't feel no pinch. It could be a big ball of crap. No, it's not. Is it? Oh, Dogfish McDoggy! Is it? No, it's not. Lobster! That's a ticket out of here, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go. You've been hanging, you must have been hanging around with Lobster Lee too long.
That's what it is, Lobster Lee. Lobster Lee, mate.
Undersized,
Let's go over here.
He's definitely undersized.
Yeah, he's undersized. Right. I just want to say a massive thank you to Lobster Lee. I know you're watching this, mate, okay? But you'd certainly show me how to catch these lobsters, mate. Now, he's definitely undersized, so he's going straight back in the drink. Lobster Lee's taught me that as well, but yeah. Thanks a lot, Lobster Lee, mate. You've helped me catch me my first lobster, pal. You told me. Put that in. No. Don't use John's jam.
Like, this is really heavy.
Have you got another lobster? Or have you got a fish? What the hell have you got there? What is it? Bring it here. Bring it here.
It's a magnet.
Is it? Bring it here, John. You want to see what John's just brought out here? But yeah. Cheers, Lobster Lee. Larry the lobster. Got to try and unhook him now, haven't I? How'd you do it, Lee? That's a bite, isn't it? It's definitely a bite, that, with those claws like that. Come on, Larry. What's you got there, John?
I don't know.
He's got shackle, isn't he? Off a chain. John's got that. I've got a lobster. Oh, Johnny boy. Hey, yeah. How's that? He likes an iPhone. He likes an iPhone. Right, let's put Larry away. He's getting a bit out of breath here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Off you go, boy. Stay away from Lobster Lee because he'll have you. Right, John, look. You inconsiderate thing. I'm trying to do my end clip here. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. Anyway, that's the end of the video. What would you say about the session, mate? If you could explain one word about the session, what would it be? Think about it. Think about it. Jamtastic, I'd say.
Yeah, crazy.
It's just, yeah, just jamtastic, carnage, just nuts. Right? Who would have ever thought that two lads would head here tonight
with a jar of jam
and fish the way we did, but the duo did, yeah. And honestly, guys, if you're new to the channel, right, I do apologise, but this is just us. When we're together, everything goes out the window. It just literally.
Except the rubbish.
Except the rubbish, which I've got down by my feet, which I'll show you in a second. Well, in fact, I'll show you now. But you can't even see it.
Let's get some light down there.
There's the rubbish. There's the rubbish. Like I say, always, that's another thing. Always take your rubbish home. But yeah, I'm about to hit 9,000 subscribers. I'm not that far off. So if anyone's...
Excuse me.
So if anyone's new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, yeah? Hit it. And I want to get to 10,000 by Christmas. That would be nice. But yeah, I want a jam-tastic session. We're going to put Bob Marley with jamming on the way home. And we're going to jam all the way back to Colwyn Bay. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know whether it'll be with this boy or not. I don't know. Jammy John. Possibly. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Ta-da. Have a jammy good time.